Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can activate the birthday notifications feature on Facebook. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also write your comments after watching this video and don't forget to put likes. So let me and you get down to this topic. And now I will tell you in detail how you can get birthday notifications. So friends, first of all, please open the Facebook app on your device. And then you'll need to go down on the right-hand side. Click on the menu section. Then on the top right-hand side, click on the gear to go to settings. Here, scroll down a little bit and find the notifications option. Click on it. Next, you will see the birthday option. Also click on that as well. And as you can see, here you get a window or page like this. And the first thing you need to do is make sure that you have Facebook notifications active or enabled. If they're in the state that I'm in at the moment, you just need to activate this button here by clicking on it. And as you can see, I've now got another little list at the bottom. These are options where you can get notifications about your friends' birthdays. These can be push notifications that always stay on Facebook. If you enable notifications, that is, you will get push notifications from Facebook on your device to remind you of your friend's birthday, for example. Also, the second option is you can activate such notifications on email, and the third option in SMS messages. You can leave either one of the selected options or activate, let's say, several or all of them at once. This way, friends, you will receive notifications about your Facebook friends' birthdays in SMS, email, and push notifications. Friends, this is how you can get notifications about birthdays from Facebook. I really hope you found this video useful and that it helped you. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes under the video. Write your comments and also subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.